Hey everyone, Nick McClure here, Century 21 Farm and Forest. I'm here at 93 Stoney Brook Lane in Westmore, Vermont. Got this lovely Cape style house, detached 2-car garage. We are on 10.25 acres, so nice rectangular lot that runs well up the hillside here. Potential for additional building sites up where those pines are. We've got a lovely brook in the backyard. Gorgeous landscaping. Nice fence here, river birch, flowers are popping up. Got some great views out towards the lake and the mountains. Big front yard, nice field in the front. Obviously we're early spring here, so the grass is just greened up, but the leaves haven't popped out yet. Beautiful blue sky day. Does have a drilled well, private septic. We'll get over to the brook and we'll pick up over there. All right, so here we are at the brook. Runs all the way down and into the lake. Very pretty. Got some apple trees, some birch trees, lots of flowers. Got the detached garage there. The house also has an auto-fired propane generator. Here we are coming up to the front door, some lovely spring flowers, this great barreled ceiling over the covered entry. So we come in and we've got this nice big open dining living room, beautiful views. Opens up to this area with cathedral ceilings, vinyl windows, double sliders leading out to the deck. Eat-in style kitchen with a peninsula with some seating there. This is a Corian countertop, oak cabinets. Door to the left is the basement. We'll get down there towards the end. If I turn to the left, got a nice size room. This will be on the front side of the house, so you get to wake up to some nice views. And we've got another bedroom or main floor office here. To the left, we've got a 3/4 bathroom with a stackable washer and dryer. This is the formal front entrance leading out to the front yard, and we'll pick up upstairs. Here we are at the top of the stairs, got this great big loft area, wonderful craft space, bonus living room, office, or what have you. Nice views looking out towards the front yard here, and as we get over to this side, you get some glimpses of the lake. On this level, we've got a second bathroom, linen closet. This is a full bath. Granite counters there. And then we've got the third bedroom, which is quite large. This side of the house is out towards the brook, so open these windows up in the summertime and you've got that great sound coming in. We'll pick up in the basement. So now we're in the basement. We've got a little bonus rec space down here. It is heated. You see the hot water baseboard, concrete floor. There is an air exchanger, which is this gray box on the wall. Some storage underneath the stairs. We've got nice oil tank here, which has been fairly recently inspected. That door is a bulkhead that goes out to the backyard. Oil hot water boiler. Hot water tank, which is off from the boiler. Pressure tank. The main electrical panel, the generator panel. And back to the stairs. We'll finish up in the garage. So we'll enter here into the detached 2-car garage, kind of a salt block style. Great space inside, nice and deep. Got a workbench in the back. 2 overhead doors, one of which is auto, the other is manual, and a large storage area up above. Windows on both sides. So there you have it, folks. That wraps up our tour. Maybe be a few drone photos at the end or video at the end here, but hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And if you have suggestions for future videos, certainly welcome them. Thanks again for watching.